Well, how you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. This presentation is for gold technical analysis and its correlation and how we do analyze gold as some gold analysts, such as myself. This is the bond ETF TLT. Today was a monstrous rally of at least three this much right here. Okay, good deal. So TLT went up really rapidly with the reversal candle yesterday, and today was this beautiful, gorgeous candle. See, we usually try to identify the seller zone and buyer zone, and people bought here. And I forgot, I think it was a buyer zone of an older price memory. And it rejected it, and it gave this beautiful hammer, and now it was sold at the 10-period moving average and the 38% Fib retracement from this high to this low. So what is today? It is a seller's zone. Okay, so did TLT turn bullish all the way? No, absolutely not. It is still in breakdown mode. It could go all the way up to here, up to 150 and still breakdown mode. It could go all the way to here and still in breakdown mode, 153. We are definitely breaking down. This is a beautiful technician rally. Capisce? This is the daily time frame. Let's look at the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, we have a beautiful reversal candle as a beautiful bona fide hammer in the weekly time frame. If you look at it by itself, it's very beautiful and very bullish. But if you add MACD to it, so let's see if it's extremely reliable. Okay, good deal. So it is still in bearish mode. So the possibility is still there, but not extremely. Okay, so what else? We went down to an older price memory, which was the trading range of 2019, right here. We got rejection, and we went all the way up to this resistance, which is the upper end of trading range of 2019, and we found sellers. So technically, we're still in breakdown mode, even though we have this beautiful candle. So we can go all the way to 151, and we are definitely in breakdown mode, even if we rally even more. So are we out of the woods for TLT? The answer is absolutely not. Do we have bullishness? Absolutely. What is it? It is the hammer in the weekly time frame, and also some bullish divergences and coming out of oversold and stochastic yet this happened before and nothing changed. So you have a beautiful bullish divergence, and boom, here we have a beautiful divergence from sometimes in August, and it was a 3 days rally, and we had rejection from an older price memory. See how precise it is? Amazing, isn't it? And we went down after that. So this is TLT. So we are in breakdown mode in a technician bounce back. Let's look at the relationship between TLT and GLD, the gold ETF. And it's extremely obvious that they positively correlate together. Okay, so what happened to TLT? Breakdown mode. Gold, now it's in breakdown mode. I had this presentation before, and I was almost sure, and no one knows the future, but I said if history repeats itself, gold go and break down. So gold now is catching up with TLT, as I said before. So this is it. It's catching up and still in breakdown mode. So you can see it even if you go back 3 years, even if you go back, look, it's like almost the same chart. Good? Very good. So TLT and gold. Let's look at dollar. This is UUP, the DXY ETF. and we can see bullishness here all the way. We have a confirmation of bullish engulfing in the daily time frame right here, and we were able to close above the 10, 20, and 50-day moving averages right here. So you can see the moving averages right here, okay? So we closed above them, and we closed above an old rejection right here. So the day, that date, 17th of Feb, the close was 24.49. We closed at 24.52. So definitely in 1, 2, 3 reversal. Breaking. This is the downtrend line, and this is the old resistance. Is it bullish? I think so. How positive I am, I think I'm extremely positive we're gonna take out this resistance right here, 24.70, which is almost 91 something in DXY, almost 92 something, 91.50 maybe. I'll check it later. Okay, good deal. So what else? We have a bullish crossover in the MACD, which is extremely reliable both ways. It went down after the bearish crossover, went up after the bullish crossover multiple times. Capisce? Good deal. So it's, if history repeat itself, dollar would go up, TLT would go down eventually after it goes to more sellers zones. And now we look at gold. Gold, it's definitely in breakdown mode, no doubt about that. I think we broke down of a head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and this was the neckline right here. And we are definitely officially in breakdown mode, and we closed almost at the low. And this is the 100-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, and they are almost a bearish crossover. And in the past, it worked wonderfully. After this bearish crossover, bad things happen. So this is for gold daily time frame. Let's look at the weekly time frame. It showed the price retracement for the week, and it's very severe, and a confirmation of a breakdown. It's very obvious. We are now testing this area of buyers, which I think we're gonna break. I think we will. I think we will go to this area right here, and we might go lower, but this I'm almost certain. But I really don't know the future. 1675, 1615, very soon. Okay, so this head and shoulder breakdown assumes the high here, 162, 1,962 minus this low right here, and it gives us the projection price, which is almost here. Good deal. So this is the weekly time frame. Let's look at GTX. As I tweeted before to the two people that are following me, this is a very bona fide, very obvious head and shoulder formation in GTX. And this is what happened. We are definitely in breakdown mode. And I believe 27 is a valid target for this pattern right here, which will give us price projection right here. And if you run a Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high, you will find, let's give it let's look at this one. Okay, no, go back to blue. Okay, yes, all right. So this is the projection right here, 27, and it is definitely 62% Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high. This is how we roll here, y'all. Okay, I think it's extremely possible to hit this number. Good deal. So let's look at the weekly. The weekly is the same. We have two head and shoulder formation. The smaller one I discussed earlier, and the bigger one. And some people will do for the bigger one 45.54 minus this low, and it gives you almost 14.58. But I'm with people that do it percentage wise. So 32% from here, it might go all the way to 2021. Okay, so this big pattern formation will give you a 20 a price target. How fast it will get there? Maybe it will take months to get that low. So it's not, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's very fast, but I think it might take to 6-7 months. I really don't know the future, but these patterns will take longer times. Okay, and the smaller one will be hit earlier. And I did have presentation before of how to trade GDX. You can find it on my channel if you really are really watching and you want to learn. Some people don't care. Some people do care. I always discuss the importance of Fibonacci retracements for a large rally in GDX, and I always believe that you should have at least a 50% Fibonacci retracement from previous low to recent high. Then you have a big rally. That's why I did not believe in these bottoms at all, because the minimum was 50% in the past. So I think this time we might go to even hit this 200 period moving average in the weekly time frame. But we will wait and see. Here in 2016, this formation of head and shoulder gave us this low, right here, this target. So it took from the break in November 2016 to September 2018. Okay, so it took some time to hit this target, but it hit smaller targets right away. Okay, good deal. So this is my idea in GDX. I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation. Please push like if you like. Subscribe if this is your first time. If you like, you encourage me to upload more videos. If you are a gold bull, please even like and subscribe so you could hear other views than yours, different than yours. So you might increase your knowledge. I don't have the knowledge, the knowledge of the universe, but I have some knowledge. So we exchange knowledge. That's how we do things. So even if you're always bullish, subscribe to my channel so you have some knowledge exchange. I hope you guys enjoy this presentation, and I love you all. And disco is forever.